Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Use Excel to create structured documentation, notes, logs, and checklists. Start by planning a workbook layout with clear sheet names and roles. Create a title row and freeze it so headers remain visible while scrolling. Use consistent column types such as date, author, description, and status for clarity and filtering. An Excel workbook can contain multiple sheets for separate document sections and purposes. Remember limits. Excel supports 1048, 576 rows and 384 columns per worksheet for large. Design a consistent structure using columns for date, owner, and status. Use data validation and drop-down lists to standardize entries and reduce errors. Apply conditional formatting to highlight overdue items and missing fields automatically. Save a template file with locked formula cells and unlocked input cells for repeatable documentation. Use clear heading styles and 1/4 inch indentation for nested notes and better scanning. Include an instructions sheet that explains column meanings and expected input formats for all users. Store documentation workbooks on OneDrive or SharePoint to enable co-authoring and autosave. Turn on track changes or use comments for discussion and accountability during edits. Keep a version log sheet with timestamps, editor names, and brief change descriptions for audit trails. Use password protection selectively for sensitive cells or workbook elements to maintain data integrity. Export finalized sheets to PDF for locked distribution or to CSV for integrations that require simple comma-delimited formats. Include sheet names and version numbers in file names before sharing externally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.